I blindfolded my chef friend to taste test his palate.
Can you hear me? Yeah? No?
Let's see how good he is.
Alright, so the first thing we're gonna give him is some black garlic.
It's kind of funky. I taste like candied orange peel. Maybe kokum?
I don't know what that is. I don't even know what that is, but is that your final answer?
Hold on. It's kind of gross, man. Preserved orange peel.
No, it's black garlic.
Oh, shit.
Concentrated cane sugar. So he's a chef, so if he says sugar, nah. He has to be he gotta be specific.
I mean, all I taste is black garlic now. Palm sugar.
Is that correct? Let me double check that 1 second.
It's like jaggery palm sugar.
Okay, I'll give you jaggery. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it is jaggery.
Nice.
Yeah. Fried onions.
I think I got you, bro. I think I got you.
Say it. Say it.
I think I got you.
Say it. What are you waiting for? Just say it. You ain't got it.
Crispy onion.
Shit. Yeah, you got it. Anchovy paste.
I got shellfish sauce, fish sauce.
I'm gonna give you another try.
Anchovy.
I'll give that to you. It's anchovy paste.
Yes! Oh, I definitely need water after that.
Next up, we got a graham cracker.
Is wafer not specific enough?
Nope.
I'm gonna go with arrowroot cookie.
No, it's a graham cracker.
Shit!
The last one is a plum.
Plum, final answer.
Final answer?
Come on, man, hold on. What do you mean? Can I have another piece?
I gotta make him second guess himself.
That's plum. I'd be really surprised if that's not plum. Plum, final answer.
Yeah, it's plum.
Oh, yeah. Especially after I said final answer.
Yeah.
But I'm like, it's a plum.